Welcome back to Outside Las Vegas. Today we're hiking the Middle Fork Trail near Zion. It's a peaceful canyon walk, but definitely get here early. We started around 9:20 and had plenty of parking, but by the time we finished at 11, the lot was completely full. You'll hit a lot of stream crossings on this trail. Honestly, we lost count, but the water was low today, so it was really easy to step on the rocks and stay dry. The views open up quickly along this canyon, and the sound of the creek flowing beside you makes the whole hike feel super relaxing. Going this time of year was perfect. The mix of fall colors and the red sandstone walls gives the trail a totally different feel. We learned afterwards that there are bears and mountain lions in the area. We didn't see any, but something to keep in mind when you're out here.
I saw a blue jay.
The drive out here is partially scenic. It's a pretty normal highway at first, but once you turn off and start climbing the mountain, the views get really good. One thing we would advise is don't wear normal shoes. Some of the rocks are really slick and trail shoes make a big difference. We also saw older hikers using trekking poles at the crossings, which made things easier for them. By late morning, the trail gets packed. The earlier you start, the better, especially if you want photos without a crowd behind you. Thanks for hiking the Middle Fork Trail with us today. If you want more Zion and Southwest trails, subscribe and follow along. This is Outside Las Vegas. See you on the next one.